Good morning, beautiful souls, beautiful brave hearts. This is Tora coming to you from the beautiful Nambucca Heads. And it's a wrap up. We had 5 magical weeks of having Dr. Darryl Wolfe and his incredible team of master trainers join us for the incredible celebration, elevation of a lifetime. And here behind me, the beautiful sea, and just turning around here at Nambucca Heads where it all started. And last night we had a beautiful celebration, the Pain-Free Pelvis and Disease Prevention Masterclass, and we had 24 beautiful goddesses join us over 3 days, diving into their divine feminine and discovering the beauty of their ovarian palace, and just the gentleness and the friendship and the connections which we all formed over these 3 days. As women, we run deep hate and shame programs and are so disconnected from our beautiful divine center, which is the creation of all life. And without us, life would not continue on this incredible earth. And it was an absolute honor to co-facilitate with the 3 incredible master trainers, Emily, Simran, and Lorraine. These goddesses are magnificent, and together we learn and grow, and it's just a magnificent journey. But what came to me this morning is that, when our celebration becomes an elevation, in our culture, we are so programmed when we celebrate to actually poison ourselves. So we eat crazy amounts of mostly poisonous food. We drink sugary drinks or alcohol and really numb ourselves out. And yesterday evening, I joined the group for a fairly short time, but just really to seeing when beautiful BraveHeart women, when goddesses choose to honor, love, and respect this physical level. And myself, I had a beautiful light meal and had some water with some lemon in it, and then went home actually to celebrate with some of the practices that we learned. And it's been, I would say, the busiest 5 weeks of my life, the most intense 5 weeks of my life. It's the biggest thing I've ever taken on. But the growth and the quantum shift within my whole being. And during this time, what I've really learned to do is stepping into the uncomfortable and diving off that cliff again and again, and putting my soul's work and my passion and my love. And actually, I've learned to put that into myself rather into my external environment. And I'm feeling quite emotional now because I've been on this journey for a long time. I've been stuck in the darkest places in just years of my life. I can remember 10 years of my life that I did not even want to be alive on this beautiful planet. And beautiful brothers and sisters, I just say to you, if I can do it, you can do it. This journey is available to all of us. But it takes courage, and it takes personal leadership, and it takes to step into something that, we haven't been conditioned to do naturally. That 12 year of schooling, we've been ruled, schooled and fooled. We have been dumbed down. We've been disconnected from, really our purpose and our passion. Every single one of us has a calling. Our soul has a calling. And when we connect with that and when we cultivate that, it's like, growing a seed and then watering and then letting a beautiful forest or a garden or a flower field flourish. And my incredible teacher and mentor, Dr. Darryl Wolfe, I am so grateful for him, just coming to Australia and making this happen. I believe we were one of the largest groups ever to participate in these incredible courses. So we did the whole life coach, which is a 9-day immersion to really step deeply into who we are, our limiting beliefs, and we crack the coconut from the inside out. And that's really the only way we learn to see ourselves. And then the rest of our life, we can sip on the juice and just the magnificence of who we are and grow from that. And then we had the Wolf non-surgical body work training with Dr. Save Wolf, an incredible brother. And I experienced his training 4 years ago, and I celebrate you, Sage, the strength and the depth and the leadership that you show for us. And yeah, I've learned much in this course, just the way you conduct yourself, and the deep passion and the deep commitment to your work has been magnificent. And then, of course, finishing with this beautiful, gentle but intense 3 days, the pain-free pelvis and disease prevention, which is just the most intimate journey for incredible warrior goddess women. And magnificent, absolutely magnificent. And the beautiful news is that we are doing this all again next year. So the dates are the 31st of July, 2024. And we will be running 2 whole life coaches next time. So the first one, and then back on to the second one, which will commence from the 14th of August. And Dr. Darryl Wolf will be coming and taking both of those. And then we will be having the Wolf non-surgical training, again, the most powerful bodywork in the world. And of course, followed by the pain-free pelvis and disease prevention. And if you're absolutely excited and you've missed out on this time and you can't wait to start and to connect with yourself and start an incredible journey of self-healing, myself and the beautiful Andrea Exton from Melbourne will be holding at the Health and Healing Circle here on the Coffs Harbour coast the first 4 days of December this year. So come and join us. And that will be a very intimate group of brave hearts, where we will dive deep into the perfect day, the rituals and the protocols, and really start and elevate your healing journey on your terms. You will be nourished, you will be challenged, we will guide you to really discover what true vibrant health is. So once again, that's the first weekend of December, and you can reach me on 041 399 3493, or my email, which is Tora, all lowercase, THORA @tklifestylesolutions.com, or go straight to the bhnuniversity.com, and all the links are on that. And in the meantime, if you would like to join me and to book a perfect day consultation, and I believe it is the perfect day that lasts a lifetime, we will spend 60 to 90 minutes really going through exactly where you're at, where you're stuck, where you're lacking energy, vitality, and take you on the journey to accelerated, vibrant health, and really teach you to become your own doctor, your own healer. And it's just an activation, and it's a beautiful journey. And then over 6 weeks, I will intimately accompany you on this journey of you discovering who you are. To be suffering, to be unwell, to be in pain is an option and a choice. As human beings, we are made to be vibrant and abundant, and and learn to celebrate by nourishing and honoring your body. And remember that we are energy frequency being, and so keeping it very light, having high vibrational things that enter the body. So beautiful, structured, ionized water, and beautiful juices, organic juices that vibrate really highly, rainbow salads and things like that. So beautiful, brave hearts. It's been an honor for all of those who accompanied us on this journey personally. And I look forward over the next 3 months between now and Christmas with my amazing husband, Kevin. We will be holding 6 personal treatment and training retreats. And we have 2 possibilities. We have a beautiful place at the beach, which is an intimate immersion. And there we will do personal treatment and trainings. And what that means is that we will create your perfect day. We will nourish you from the minute you rise to when you gently close your eyes, and take you through the whole journey of movement, of the practices, of the immersions, and then also the Wolf non-surgical body work to unblock all the stiffness, the calcification, and get you moving like an 18-year-old again, as it is your right to be. And also we have available incredible energy medicine, the most powerful medicine in the world. And it's really, it's a game changer. So it's really the power pack of healing. So if you would like to know more, please send me a message on 0413993493 or send me an email at tora@tklifestylesolutions.com. I will also put my details in the link. Sending you so much love. And remember, it's the 1% every single day that makes a difference in the long term. And if I can do it, you can do it. So take massive personal action, and I will talk to you soon.